A-Wax Kane went to the Lakers game last night. Why you sweating? I don't like my fucking Come here, girl.
Stop
fucking
it.
with you.
Okay, that's
Come
nice.
here.
What?
I'm gonna talk to you.
About what?
Throw it out, man. Let me get this thing.
No, dance it.
Come on, Ronnie.
You're drunk, Johnson.
Girl, I've been checking you out for a long
I
time.
know.
That motherfucking Kane be staring in the way.
Can you just sit down? You're
Let me
drunk.
get a dance.
No dancing.
Man, what's up with that fool Chauncey tonight, man? He over there tripping.
Pulling more like
Fucking kiss, goddamn. I'm
crazy,
tired of
Chauncey.
fucking
Will
with
you
you. You know you
stop
want
it?
this.
Doggy strap. You not weird. Give me your gun.
What for?
Give me the motherfucking gun.
Man, what you gonna do, Kane? Come on, man, what you need a gun for?
I don't give a fuck what you actually do.
Man, come on.